So in this video, I just want to show you how I took my video quality from looking like this to looking like this with the same gadget, with the same phone. Apps I use to edit my video, and I'll be showing you how I usually improve the quality of my video. So you want to watch this video to the end. This video could be a little long, but I'm telling you it's going to be worth your time. So let's get into it. If you are new here, my name is Glo-Mary, and on this channel I talk about everything beauty. So yes, this is what my setup looks like. I have a mirror in front of me so that I can see what is going on in front of my camera. So this is like my table clip that I have. This is where I put my phone. This is how I connect it. I don't even know why I didn't remove this nylon here, but I have this, and this is where my light is coming from. You guys can see. So but something is important. I use this mirror as a reflector so that it can give my video much more quality. And for my background light, I'm going to show you. You can also use a tripod in front like this if you have one, but for me, because I'm using like a very small table, this really works for me. And this thing is actually very malleable. Like you can change it, it's flexible. Yeah, it's flexible, and this is how you like remove it. So yeah, you can turn this, you can turn it like this. You can get this on Jumia. I got this on Jumia. I got the light on Jumia. I got this also on Jumia. So I have this ring light, very small one, and I'm just going to like put it on, right? And what I do is cover it up with a yellow nylon so that it can give me that warm tone at the back of my video. So this is what I use as the back of my video. Nothing really special, it's just whatever you have, improvise, and that's it for the background. So for my bedroom shots, kitchen shots where I need to take like different angles, I bought this, I don't even know what the name is called. It's like a wall clip to film. Usually I use this to film in the bathroom and in the kitchen. So this is how I use it. That front side is magnetic and you can roll it around, and this helps me pick like different angles of my shot. It is really useful. I mean, like, but you have to be careful, very careful that the thing sticks very well to the wall so that it doesn't come off and your phone doesn't get spoiled. Okay. Now for the sound. Good sound also gives your video quality. People don't like noises in their video or when they are watching videos, so it's important to have a good microphone that can cancel noise and can give your video a quality audio. So I bought this wireless microphone in 2024 and it was around 10,000 naira when I got it. It came with two different types of adapter, iPhone and Type-C, and also came with two microphones. Came with a cord, not a charger. I must admit sometimes it used to go off, and if well charged the battery is actually good, but you have to be careful when you are talking because it can go off and you will not have any audio at all. And the quality of the audio is averagely good, at least 70% okay. Now this is how I ensure that my iPhone 7 Plus gives me a quality and clear video. First of all, I film with my back camera, and before I start filming I make sure that I clean the lens very well. You see, as simple as this step is, it is very important. Clean the lens very well before you start filming. You can use a clean towel to clean the lens. iPhone 7 Plus does not have a cinematic mode, so you cannot have that. Just make sure that you film in 4K if you have the space, but if you don't have the space you can as well film in HD. Apps I use to edit my video, I use InShot, I use KwaiCut, and I'll be showing you how I usually improve the quality of my videos. If you're new here, we do this thing in this community where we share a Bible verse in every long form video, and you guys, here is the verse of the day. So now I will show you how I use InShot to edit my video. Go to your app store or your Play Store and download InShot. After you are done downloading, go to InShot. Click on the video and then click on new. Select the clips you want to edit, allow it, wait for it to load, and then you can start editing. So originally, this is what my video looks like from the camera, just with my phone. This is what I have. Now the first thing I'm going to do is to give it like that cinematic feel, and that means I will have to blur the background a little bit. So click on the video and then choose AI effect, then scroll down to blur. Once you choose blur, then you have to scroll down to gaze. Once you have done that, you adjust the intensity of the blur or blurriness. You increase the value, decrease the value until you are satisfied. So usually I do something that is not so obvious, because I would keep moving my hand because I make hairstyling videos and I don't want it to look anyhow, so I just use a little. So go ahead and clip this goas or gaze to the end of your video. You can do to the end of the clip or to the end of the video, depending on what you are going for. Once you are done with that, we'll have to now adjust. I would usually increase the lightness just a little bit of contrast, a little bit of warmth, and saturation. But most importantly, I go to colors and I choose blue. I increase and decrease it until I am satisfied with what I am seeing. The next most important step is sharpen. This one you don't want to also use too much, but you don't want to not use it at all. So I do something around 7. Then I go back to warmth and I decrease it, more like I'm decreasing the temperature. What this does is it makes that white background whiter, as you can see. Then I will now go back and increase the saturation to something like 10. Can you see the difference? Can you see? So now to give it the final touch, I'll go to AI effect. Then I will look for styles. Then I'll pick HDR. This HDR will just make it more how will I put it? Like I don't know, it can't add to the pixel. You just give it that solid feel. Yes. So but you don't want to use too much of this, just a little, and then you clip it to the end of your video. Basically that would be all for adjustment on InShot. Head over to YouTube, search for Peer Piano. There are different channels on YouTube where you can get like free music, but this is what I use. So I just go ahead and pick any of the music on this
So you
channel
want to become
and
a
I just screen record it. Once the screen recording is saved, I will go back to InShot and go to music and then go to extract audio from video. So I will click that recorded that screen recording that I did, and just extract the audio for my music. So that's how I get to add the music to my video. So after all of this, I'll now go and export my video. Now head over to KwaiCut or KwaiCut, whatever you call it. Pick that clip that you've just exported from InShot, and then this is where we continue the adjustment. So the only thing I do here is just click on the video, navigate to beauty bar, then I will whiten the picture a little bit, smoothing it to like 20, and then clarity is really important, just a little bit. This thing gives the video that's luxury kind of look. Then yeah, that's it. Then I'll go to the adjustment part of this one as well. I do a little bit of exposure, a little contrast, a little saturation, vibrance, and then sharpen. And also, most importantly, the temperature, which I will decrease. Can you see the difference? Like, can you really see the difference when you decrease the temperature? Did you see how white? Did you see how white that background is now? Yep. And that'll be all for on KwaiCut. Just go ahead and hit done so that you can get your video saved. And I will make sure that I see you in my next one. Let me know if you want me to make a particular video, and any question you have, do it to leave it in the comment section. You know I will always attend to it. Bye bye.